What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing some duck breast today. Duck breast. And it's so tasty. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So yeah, y'all, you know we gotta start off by raining on them. Gotta hit them with a little salt, a little pepper. Get that skin nice and crispy. That's what we're looking for. We gotta get that skin crispy. So let's go ahead and do a couple little hash marks. Basically, we're just cutting through the skin. We want to try not to cut into the meat as much as possible. But if you do cut a little bit into the meat, don't worry about it. After we get our hash marks created, we're gonna get our duck breast into a cold pan. Don't even have the eye on yet, y'all. So let's go ahead and get some fire to this. And then we're gonna go ahead and rain on that meat side. Hit it with a little salt and pepper too. And look at Queen. She like, what is that smell? And we just gonna slowly let this come up, just like we frying some bacon. You know what I'm saying? Just slowly get that heat and try to get all that good juicy fat out that skin, so it'll be nice and crispy for you. And oh yeah, as you can see, that fat's coming out. And we gonna use this fat, y'all. We gonna use it. So once that skin release, we're gonna go ahead and give our duck breast a flippy flip. And look at that skin, y'all. Don't it look good? Nice and crispy there, y'all. Nice and crispy. So now we're gonna turn our attention to our oven. We're gonna go ahead and preheat it to 350 while it cooks on that meat side. And we're gonna get it on in that oven. Now me, I'm looking for an internal temperature of about 150. Now, you can do it a little bit lower than that, or you can do your 165. That's up to you. Me, myself, I like mine to be a little bit pink on the inside. And look at that duck breast, y'all. That's that finished product. That's that finished product. And with our duck fat that we had left over, I got me some potatoes that I've already pre-boiled. Now we're gonna give them a little flippy flip. Now I boiled these potatoes for about 5 minutes. Now as you can see, along with my potatoes, I boiled me some sweet potatoes also, y'all, to go with this. Oh my goodness. And we gonna get them in that duck fat and get them incorporated and tasting real good, just like those potatoes, y'all. Now of course, we need to go ahead and get them a little flippy flip, a little mixy mix, to get them all incorporated into that fat. So now let's go ahead and add our soy sauce. You know, a few dashes. You don't need no whole lot. And we're gonna add our honey too, y'all. Gotta add that honey. Then of course we just gonna give that a mixy mix. Get them flavors incorporated and then liking each other. Now we're just gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes and let all them flavors combine and start liking each other. And once that's done, it's time to plate up, y'all. So as you can see, I got a bed of rice. And And we gonna get those potatoes all around it. All around it, y'all. Of course, next, time to go ahead and cut that duck breast up. Now, you know I had to let that rest, cause we don't want them juices coming out. And we gonna get that on top of that bed of rice. And look at that color on it. See that nice pink meat? See, that's how I like my duck breast, y'all. I know some people like theirs a little bit more on the rare side, but this is how I like mine. And on top of our duck breast, I'm gonna add me a little bit of honey, y'all, just to sweeten up that dish. So let's go and give it a taste. We're gonna start off with one of these taters. As you can see, glistening in all that good duck fat. And oh yeah, you know that tastes good. You know it tastes good. Got our sweet potato. And look at that, y'all. Boy, that duck fat just brings something to the table, y'all. It really does. Last bite, y'all. A little bit of rice, a little bit of duck. And oh yeah, so tasty, so tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.